The following program is video supplemental instruction. VSI is brought to you by the Teaching Center, UF's Learning Support Center, www.teachingcenter.ufl.edu.
Okay, so 9b throws a small twist into what we were just doing before, because we have now two square roots in our equation. So what we want to do is just isolate one of them. So what we can do is add the square root of x plus 1 over to the other side. So the equation now looks like that. So we're going to want to square both sides, and that will get rid of this one. It won't completely get rid of that one, so we're going to have to do it again afterwards. But remember, we're going to have to check our answers anyway. This one just adds an extra step of work here. So if we square both sides, we get 2x plus 3. Remember that we need to square this entire thing. We can't just square both terms. So we need to FOIL that out. Well, first would be 1. We have 1 times x plus 1, root x plus 1 both ways, so you get 2 root x plus 1. And when you multiply root x plus 1 times itself, you just get x plus 1. So you can see we still have a root. So let's move all the other stuff that's not the radical to the other side. So we would subtract x. We would subtract 2 from this, so we get x plus 1 equals 2 root x plus 1. Now we're ready to square both sides again. We get x plus 1 squared. This side we would have 4 times x plus 1 because you need to square the 2 as well. So now let's write all this out here. We're going to get x squared plus 2x plus 1 when we FOIL this one out equals 4x plus 4. Well, finally we can rearrange this into a quadratic. So minus 4x would give us minus 2x. Minus 4 would give us minus 3. So this factors into x minus 3, x plus 1, which gives us possible answers of x equals 3 and x equals negative 1. So we need to check these now in our original equation to see if they would work. Well, if we plug in 3 for x, this would be 6 plus 3, which is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. 1 plus square root of 3 plus 1, which is 4. 1 plus 2 is 3. So this one works. We get 3 on both sides of that equation. Let's try negative 1. Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2 plus 3 is 1. Square root of 1 is 1. So this side is 1. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0. So this is 0, and we get 1. 1 equals 1. That's true also. So in this case, both of these work. X equals 3 and x equals negative 1.
The Teaching Center, UF's Learning Support Center, www.teachingcenter.ufl.edu.